Alright, I'm going to show you all something. This is a Nissan Murano. I'm going to this tire right here. And I'm going to let you see the size of this tire is about 29 inches. From the bottom to the top. Yeah, right there around 29. Okay, and this is a it has 3 of these tires here, so that's about 29. Okay, now we go to the other side. And this tire here is higher. Okay, it's about, look like a ½ inch higher, whole ½ inch. So the other one was at 29 and this one is ½ inch higher. The tire size on this is a let me see here, it's a 235 55 20. And on the other side, which all 3 sizes are the same, so you got 3 sizes that's the same on this car. Let's see if let me go back to the one though over here. Where is it? It is 275 45 20. So these tires, it has 3 of these tires and 1 large tire. This is on the Nissan Murano. Now, here's the drive shaft sitting on the ground. We took that drive shaft off. Now there's a reason for that. The customer complained that while they were turning, it would have a binding effect. Okay? Well, we've shown in a previous video with a Trailblazer where the customer had one size tire that was too big, and it would always break his transfer case. Now what happened on this one, they came in and the transfer case was replaced on this. It was busted up. However, don't know if it was because they had a bad tire on here or they put another tire on here after that, but they have the binding effect. The thing is, what is strange to me is that when a customer goes to a tire shop and they put the wrong size tire on there and they immediately have a problem, they don't go back to the tire shop. Say, hey, something is wrong. The tire shop put on the wrong size tire, or maybe they put it on and end up messing up the transfer case and the viscous coupling and everything else. So what we do is take the drive shaft off, and when we take the drive shaft off, then we don't have to worry about it binding because the transfer case is not trying to turn the rear wheels. In all-wheel drives, you have to have all the tires the same size. There can't be one tire that's smaller than the other or larger than the other. Okay? Or you will end up breaking something or causing something to be damaged. So now they're going to have to change the tire on this Murano. And then after that, they still could have had some damage done. We don't know. So that viscous clutch costs a lot of money, and it sits on the back of the differential. I believe it does on this car. Yes, it does, because it's not on the transfer case. So there you have it.